Haffis Basha. I'm 63 years old. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I do have a diagnostic center and I'm a franchisee partner of BNI. And now I have taken Action Coach. I was just trying multiple business. Can I be very honest? Yeah, because I learned that coaches are transforming the lives of many entrepreneurs, and as well as they are uplifting their own life. So I thought that coaching business is a good profession uh, to take forward for me. So that's why I selected coaching as my profession. Well, when I was exploring about many coaching firms around the globe, and that way I found out that ActionCOACH happens to be the number one action uh, coaching company in the world. And I could talk to many of my friends who are already at the coaching in business. They recommended me that Action Coach is one of the best organization where you can learn a lot. So I opted for Action Coach. Action Coach, definitely this what I thought and what I expected has delivered to my expectation level, and even I could say beyond my expectation level, because the transformation within myself and the upgradation of knowledge that had happened all these 10 days, it's something marvelous. And one thing I appreciate after the 10 days training of this Action Coach is that the way they handhold the learners like me, and it is going to be a continuous process. They are not going to leave us within the after these 10 days, and we have series of programs where we can be engaged, and they'll be hand holding us, and they will help us to take to the further more level. Biggest BFO, I have many. I don't know how to concise myself, so one or two. But I tell you one thing is that you don't work for business, business will work for us. That is something marvelous. And the other thing is that how to free ourselves from the day-to-day activities. Being an entrepreneur for all these 30, 35 years, I didn't have this thought. This mind-blowing thought has changed my perception towards business and how to free myself and deliver all the responsibilities to others, but at the same time, stick on to the business and grow myself. That is something awesome. Soon after the training is over, I have to fix some staff for me. I have to fix admin and the team, and I have to engage myself in marketing. And moreover, I do have some of my entrepreneurs, close entrepreneurs. They are looking forward my help and my support. Definitely, I'll go and support them growing their business, as well as it will be helpful for me to grow myself. If I'm talking to someone who is willing to join to Action Coach, I highly recommend Action Coach for their professionalism, and I personally appreciate the trainers who have abundance of knowledge, and the curriculum that they have is something awesome. So I highly recommend them to join this Action Coach.